Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a GoPro camera mount for my tail fin I put on my small boat. I've been using a tripod back here, but it's kind of in the way. I'm going to add one right in here where I can just stick it in it and then take it out and turn it upside down, stick it down in the inside of the boat, and it won't be in the way. I put one here, but it's just too low. So let's see what we can do. What I'm going to do, I've got this GoPro mount. It's not a GoPro brand, but it's what I got from Walmart. And that dude, man, that's just almost a perfect fit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to slide it in there to my right depth where my hole is here. I'm going to drill it and pin it. When I slide that in, it'll stay like that. Then I can mount my camera on it. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this solid rod, center it up in here. I'm trying to keep it as light and as small as I can make it. Drill that, or put that up in there and weld it. Like I say, I may have to put some shims on it. I hadn't figured that part out yet. And then what I'll do, this part goes on my fin mount. That's going to slide down in there 6 inches. And it's going to have a stop on it. That'll work. All I need that for is just a spacer anyway. I'll make that work. Then what I done, I took my center punch, got on the ground, collapsed those two in, and what that'll let me do, center those up, and then I can weld them right there. And ain't nothing wrong with that. Tighten them up just a little bit on the other side. nothing wrong with that. Time I weld all that up and get it straight, I think it'll be there myself. That'll be great right there. Now, come in here with this. Fix this with a slide in there and do snug. I think I can just collapse my sides like I did on the edges of that. Well, let me collapse these edges here. What I'm doing, I'm just taking a center punch, laying it on the concrete, punching it and rotating it, punching it until I get it down to that size. Collapse that dude down like a star. Man, that ain't bad right there. You talking about snug. There ain't nothing wrong with that. That'll go right on that boat. It's still pretty warm. Slide in there like that. Easy. There ain't nothing wrong with that. I can make that work. That's almost pretty right there. This part, weld it right there, and then all I have to do is take this part, slide it in there till it stops, and put my camera GoPro mount on the top of it, and there's my camera mount right there. There you go right there. Man, there ain't nothing wrong with that. I can make that work. Yes, sir. I'll take that dude back off. I think that's going to work. What I want to do now, I want to take a washer, tack on the end of it. The reason I want to do that, that'll give me a stop for my top piece. And then any water gets in there, it'll run out the bottom. I don't want it holding the water. time it's painted, it'll look alright. I believe it will. Be good enough. Be good enough to put on a little boat. Put my camera on it. I think it'll be great myself. Do the light in there just like that. Go all the way down, bottom out. Man, that is sweet right there. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Camera on my little boat. Now, guy, like I say, I had it made, or made it so it'll go on my fin, not attached to the boat. Anyway, I can take it off, and like I say, I can take it out any time I want to, get it out of the way. Got a mount on it there that I made right there. Like I say, it just slides in that dude. Pretty stable. Put my camera up there. I can't show you my camera on it because duh, I'm filming with it. But anyway, hey, it'll work. And when I'm not using it or hauling it in the boat, I just take it off. It's out of the way. Hey guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button. Push that like button too every now and then.